What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at all the major cryptocurrencies because this afternoon we're going to be making a dedicated episode to the meme coins, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and maybe another cryptocurrency that I can find because you guys commented it. So that's what we're going to be doing. But obviously, we need to be talking about what just happened to XRP. You guys absolutely killed yesterday's video, and I appreciate it so much. We had 5,000 views and counting, as we pretty much tracked the XRP breakout to its T, literally to the minute. We found the breakout and we capitalized off this bullish run using our favorite cryptocurrency exchange, Bidi, to leverage the trade to the upside. It was literally that simple. I couldn't have asked for a more perfect play out and plan, as this is something we've been patiently waiting for on XRP. It was about time. It was going to happen inevitably. Obviously, there were plenty of other cryptocurrencies that we could have capitalized off of, and we have capitalized off of. But you guys love XRP, so I try to include that as well on a lot of these videos. But you can see pretty much as we explained that over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, markets are closed. We're seeing a lot of institutional investing right now in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, in a lot of these altcoins. So what that means is that when the stock market is closed on, Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, we typically do not see any money or trading or any attention to cryptocurrency, as well as they start to correlate quite well with each other. And because of that, we don't typically see volume movements until Monday morning, the start of the new week, which is definitely good because we all need a nice break from cryptocurrency on the weekend. And that's what we're seeing so far. And you can see this consolidation pretty much lasted for a lot of last week. You can see it started, I don't even know where this was. We're looking at Solana on this one, but you can see a lot of this started probably on the 7th. I don't have my watch on, and today's the 12th. So it's been about 4 or 5 days following this downtrend as we came closer to moving average, and we pretty much tracked the breakout as there was no more room to move up and no more room to move down. And as the consolidation took place Saturday and then Sunday, I pretty much said that today is the day. Monday morning, today is the day we're finally going to see some sort of movement, as there's no more room left. A decision is going to have to be made, and you can see it made that decision by exploding to the upside here, which you guys saw, and I actually love it. I love the comments that you guys made on this video, because for the first couple of hours since the video was posted, I even went ahead and made the video at 6 a.m. in the morning, like I'm doing today, to let you guys know. I tried to do it early on so everyone had a chance to view it and not wait later to see the video. And obviously we exploded afterwards, but the beginning comments were all like, you're lying, this isn't gonna happen, nothing ever happens. Then in the afternoon, everyone was like, well, you called it right, never mind. It was really funny if you scroll back on some of the comments. Anywho, so yes, lots of things we're gonna have to go over, lots of things we're gonna have to talk about, whether or not this is still a chance to be buying into XRP, whether or not we should be shorting it, taking profits, so on and so forth. I have all the questions, all the answers to your questions, so definitely stick around for today's episode. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. So guys, super quick, before we dive into the technical analysis, I have literally an Amazon gift card right here for $20, which I plan on giving away more, as well as some Bidi merchandise, t-shirts, and keychains here that I really want to give away to you guys. I want to give it away to you guys. It is literally that simple. It's not hard. So what I need you to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below. Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. It could be the Bidi coin that's now pumping everywhere here. Whatever it is, your favorite crypto, comment it down below. I'll be picking one of those comments on Sunday morning and giving away the stuff for free. So watch Sunday morning's video as well. And also make sure you are subscribed, because if you're not subscribed and you don't comment down below, then I won't choose you. I'll pick somebody else. So make sure to go do that ASAP down in the comment section below. Also, for those that might be wanting to try to, get some free cryptocurrency in this major bull run, well, here's a guaranteed way to do so. Bidi, my favorite exchange, is giving away $200 in free cryptocurrency by signing up with that link in the description down below. So make sure to check that out as well. Anywho, diving back into what you guys really want to talk about. I know, sorry for, going off a little bit here, but you can see we have XRP to look at. We're going to be looking at Solana. We're going to be looking at Ethereum. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, and then the S&P 500. And then later on, we're going to be looking at the altcoins here. So stay tuned for that. Anywho's, as we said, the breakout actually happened. And then I posted a video talking about Bitcoin and how I'm real skeptical about the movement here. here. XRP played catch up, and now now that we've caught up, we have to make a decision as to what we're going to be doing here. But you can see the current global crypto market is at $2.7 trillion, which looks good. 92 on the fear and greed index. Obviously, extreme fear. This was expected. Yesterday was Monday morning, which means stock market opened up and crypto started moving and volume started to come back into the market from everything that was traded on Sunday. All those trades started to clear and confirm yesterday morning, and you can see we are up 7% for the week. 7.8 for Ethereum for the week, and you can slowly start to see like the Friday, Saturday, Sunday was nothing, no movement. Then Monday morning opens up, boom, boom, volume hits, boom, 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 volume hits. You can see XRP, look at this. Nothing all weekend as expected because the stock market is closed, institutional investment, nothing's moving. Monday morning opens up, boom, volume hits. And that could have either went up or down, but we pretty much anticipated it was going to be a pump to the upside. So that's what we have to look at here. So you can see, looking at XRP for right now, we did the inevitable. This was expected. I'm going to take it back to the weekly charts. It will go forward from here. So definitely stay with me and listen closely. So you can see right now, we were tracking XRP for a very long time, an extremely long time. And I've made this very clear, very concise. If you guys are new to the channel, listen up. We've been tracking bull flags on XRP since January of 2023. It's been over a year now, almost going on a year and a half, where we have calculated that we're starting to notice that XRP loves bull flags, loves it. For those that need a little more understanding, bull flag in crypto, this is very simple. It's a very easy chart to track here, and this is what a bull flag looks like. This is the Binance definition of a bull flag, but it's pretty accurate here. You can see there's a flag pull up, a flag, and then a breakout to the upside here. That's what we're looking at. So we've been using that as a reference point, and you can see, well, check this out. Here's the first one. January into February right here. So we have the flag pull down, and then they break out to the upside. Then we restart, flag pull, flag breakout. Then we have number 3, flag pull, flag breakout. So it's been very easy for us to buy into these cryptocurrencies and track the breakout, or sorry, very easy to buy into XRP's trades and capitalize off the runs that we've had, small but surely, over the past couple of months. Because it was very simple. XRP was doing the same exact thing over and over and over and over again. Then we have number 4, and you'll notice that we slowly started to get bigger and bigger breakouts here. So we had number 4, which is huge. This was a much bigger breakout in the past year, and you can see the size of it allowed us to move much higher. Well, the same thing's happening now. We have a beautiful flag pull up. This is the most recent one, the 5th confirmation, and here's the flag down, the flag pull, the flag itself, and then we break out. We confirm closure above here, and once we did, it's game on. We're going to be heading higher up. So the fact that we're moving up now is no surprise because we've done it 4 times in the past. We've confirmed it on this 5th time, and we're continuing to break out. So long term, we were bullish the whole time. We've known that this breakout was coming. It was inevitable. It was just taking a little bit longer. And that's okay, to take a little bit longer in the markets. We were patient. We knew that. We were waiting for it. And that's on the weekly charts. We were getting stuck on this weekly moving average on red here. So long term, I'm still bullish because you can see the size of this. And I said the target is closer to 80 cents, and I'll show you why I believe that. You can see if we take the flag pull, we track it to the top, and then we move this to the point of breakout here, it sends us right to about 80 cents. So we haven't hit it just yet. Long term, if you've bought in and you're just holding onto it with no leverage or with little leverage, then that's okay because there's a good chance we're going to just continue to go up and up and up and up. But I know 90% of you probably aren't doing that. Here's what I have to say about that. You can also see as we zoom closer, we were tracking now that you can see much more clearly this bull flag that was forming here, lower high, lower lows, filling in the gap, falling to the downside here. And then you can see we just started a reversal pattern. So since we bottomed off right about here, we've been forming these new higher lows each time consistently. So each time we move up, we've been dumping higher than the past. So we haven't confirmed any sort of downwards trend. We haven't shown a bearish reversal yet because each time we fall, it's higher than the last, which screams that we're not going to be correcting. Until we correct lower than the previous low, we're still bullish. And then when you take it a step further, we've also been using the relative strength indicator as a good reference point as to where we're going to be moving to. So when you look at this here, we originally had the downtrend. Remember this. Hopefully you guys remember. Go back a couple of videos. We had a descending triangle. So we saw the breakout here and we said, okay, we confirmed closure right here. Time to buy in for the long haul. And then look at what we've done since then. It was the most textbook, easy obvious buying opportunity to the upside here. So since then, we've shot up, and you can see what we then said is, oh, now we're forming this ascending fractal here, which is great, this ascending wedge to the upside here. We fell to the downside, and we said, okay, there's a good chance we're not breaking through it right now. We're going to be heading back up. You can watch yesterday's episode, and just like that, we headed back up. You can see that's exactly what happened. More so, you can see it on here. If I then zoom into like the 4-hour charts, we're getting closer. Let's look even more in depth on this beautiful ascending fractal. You'll notice here, again, these higher low patterns. What did we do? We fell. We fell real low. We actually went all the way from being overbought, which was right here on like the 2nd of March here, to the 10th of March. We went from overbought like 77 on the RSI. We fell down to 43. We had plenty of room, and we also had the moving average as a means of support, lifting us up, and the uptrend here. So we were getting wedged, and we needed to make a decision, and we needed to make one quick. Lots of things were leaning towards a bullish break because you can see we were using this support and this uptrend, and we were plenty of room to move up. So we exploded to the upside. Now, obviously, the first candle was pretty much the normal length that I had anticipated we would move to, pretty much just trending inside of this. But obviously, this was, I'd say, the accurate breakout size, and then the rest of this is just FOMO. So we had broken out exactly to price target, and then everything above is FOMO, and you can see why, because we're falling right back down. We pretty much shaved off. A lot of you guys are commenting like, do I sell, da, 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 da. Yeah, that was the time to take profit short term. Long term, we're going to make it up, but there's going to be corrections before we head even higher. I wouldn't be surprised if we fall right back down to here. So that means if you missed out on an opportunity to get in on this long position here, you'll have opportunity to get in on the short position when that time comes, because I think it's going to happen real soon, right around the corner, and it's going to happen pretty quickly. So keep your eyes peeled on that, as that's the next thing that I would expect to see happen. We're now obviously overbought. Jumping to the daily, we're also nearing overbought. We're a bit high. Not only now do we have the possibilities of a double top, that's a huge possibility, but also we're at a resistance here. So I think we went up a little too quickly, and we're still trending this ascending fractal here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to support here, and we can easily take advantage of that if we close the, you can see we're using it as a support now. But if we close below it, then we can buy in for a short. That would be an easy short opportunity here. You can see how quickly that typically takes. We reverse right back down. So there's a chance that this could happen very soon. So keep your eyes if we close the 4-hour below there. Obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. This is how we capitalized off of XRP literally yesterday here, using BidFi to leverage trade XRP. It's the best exchange that I've found for XRP trading and all cryptocurrency trading for that matter here. Not only are they doing a $200 giveaway by signing up at the link down in the description, they even have a welcome reward and a demo account. So this is what I recommend to everybody. Not only can you earn over 2K in free crypto bonuses by literally, you can see all this crypto right here, doing some of these tasks. It's completely free after you sign up, but they even have a demo account. Now, what does that mean? They give you 50 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills, get familiar with the platform, learn to trade. It's the best thing. Literally, there's so many steps prior to actually trading real cryptocurrency. You can sign up, you get your free bonus cryptocurrency, and that's good for literally trading. You could withdraw all your profits, so you got nothing to lose. And then you can also practice trading with Monopoly money to get familiar, test your trades, test my trades. You can find my trades in the description in Patreon here, but you can test all your trades, get familiar with the platform, then switch over to live trading and learn how to do it. So it's the best thing that I recommend because there's zero risk and it teaches you what type of trader you are. So make sure to check that out ASAP. Anywho, that's the main focus of today's video. Now we're just going to kind of wrap everything up pretty quickly because I do want to make the other video on Shiba, but you can see we need to look at Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, S&P. This is weird for those Solana traders. We were distracted by XRP anyway here, but we confirmed closure above here. That would have screamed buy an opportunity, and if you did, I don't think it's that big of a deal. I mean, I have two, and I'm not that surprised, but we're stagnant here. So I'm a bit worried that we could be correcting down fairly soon. And that's pretty much the main focus of these smaller cryptocurrencies. I haven't paid much attention to them, but the fact that we closed above here and we don't see any volume yet again is another indicator that maybe we're due to correct. Maybe a lot of these cryptos are due to correct. If I jump to the daily, you can see We don't look all that good. If anything, this is today that we're trending above here. So we'll see how we pan out the rest of today. We're overbought. There's a chance we could come back down a moving average. I'm actually starting to think that might be the plan for a lot of these major cryptocurrencies, is correct back down a moving average. There's very little volume happening right now. Same thing with Ethereum. We jump to the daily here. There's a good chance of correction. I made this video yesterday. I mean, if you want to go in depth yesterday, then make sure to do so. You can see, what is this? Bitcoin is also building something of consolidation. You could see the past couple of days or hours has literally been sideways movement. Very little trading. Volume has died off. The RSI is dying down. Consolidation is taking place. So something big is brewing for Bitcoin. It could very well be a pop higher. There's nothing wrong with that. You can see the consolidation over the past couple of days. We are overbought though, and we are in ascending fractal, which typically has a bearish reversal here. So there's big things coming for all these cryptocurrencies real soon, but I just think we're so freaking overextended, over the top, like really high up, that we're even having a reversal doji, that this is the next dump. And hopefully we can capitalize on that. As for the S&P, I think that's coming too. Consolidation and then a dump, and we'll go from there. So if you guys want more info on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and like Solana, then let me know and I'll make more videos. But we are so overbought. I do think a healthy pullback is necessary for the health and longevity of a lot of these cryptos, and that could suck XRP down with it too. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in this afternoon. Peace.